On a specific day, the rate of increase in temperature compared to time is given by this. Given theta is 4 when t is 6, find the value of theta when t is 12. Okay, so number one, what do I need to do? I need to integrate, right? So there's nothing else, right? Okay, nothing else. Just integrate. Theta will be integration of half outside times inside. I think at times inside are 6 minus half d dt. So 6d minus d squared over 4 plus c. To find c, we sub in the coordinate. Sub in theta is 4 when t is 6. Okay, so 4 equals to 36 minus 9, 27. C is what? Negative 23. So my theta is 60 minus d minus 23. Sub d with 12. 144 divided by 4. Somebody? 7. Nobody? 30. 30. 13. Okay, thank you.